Hi everyone, today I just want to talk about a few key things you can do today to improve your videos. And so number one, lighting. So with the lighting, it's important to just keep in mind you need to make sure that the light on your face is even. So I use two lights, one in front of me and then one behind me. By having the light shine onto the wall, then it allows the person in front of the camera to pop a little bit more in the actual frame. Number two, keep the camera eye level. And that's because you don't really want to be talking to someone with the camera kind of, looking up from the bottom of your chin. So when you have the camera at eye level, it looks much more professional and put together. Number three, don't use the camera on your laptop because yes, it comes with it, but I promise you, even the cheapest external webcam will make the world a world of a difference. And I use a Logitech Brio, but I don't even think my webcam's that necessary. Any Logitech product will honestly do the trick. Also, make sure that you have a wall behind you, or if not, then just try to kind of tidy up the different things that might be going on in the background. I mean, being home right now, I'm sure it's very difficult with kids running around and everything too, but ideally if you have a clean white wall that you could just kind of sit down, don't be too close to the wall. Take yourself apart from the wall so you're popping out more to the camera, but it is easier to just kind of manipulate and make the background look really nice if you have a wall right behind you when filming the video. And lastly, I mean, not really practice, but just start doing it because trust me, I really don't want to show you my first video I posted ever on YouTube about 4 years ago, but it's really bad. So it took time to even build it up to be a little bit decent, at least for me.